Hi friend, today we'll write the program to print and count even element in the given array. First we write the class name and then main method. Then define the variable which is used during writing this program. Int size even count is equal to 0. Then give the array int a is equal to new int, then give the list of array. That's it. Then use the for loop. For int I is equal to 0, I less than array or length of array, then I plus plus. Define the range of the array, then use if else statement. If array of I is modulo 2 is equal 0, if any number divisible by 2 and remainder is 0, then it's even number. Then print that number. Array of ith index, then and also count that how much even number is there, plus plus. Even count, then print that total number of even number, total number of even number in this array is equal even count. The even number in this array is 12, 22, 56 and 64. Total number of even number in this array is 3. That's it.